Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to render your Croquis using an Android phone and Autodesk Sketchbook. So the first thing you're going to do in this video is you're going to pick your color by clicking on your color for long and then using your tool, your filling tool, to fill it up, which after that you're going to create a new layer. In that layer you're going to click on multiply by clicking on the blending aspect. When you click on the layer you see multiply. After you've done that, you're going to select your tool, your soft airbrush, right? Increase the size of the soft airbrush and then you start shading. The reason why you don't need to choose any color because the base color that you used, right, it is already enough. So the only thing you just have to do is to click on multiply. When you click on multiply on your new layer, it automatically becomes your shadow color. So you begin to use it to shade, as you see me do in this video, from the shoulder, the side. Just it's about trapping light, right? You begin to trap light inside your body, like trap the light in your body, color the edges of your skin. Once you're done doing that, then you're going to use your smudge brush, right? I don't know, for people that have basic airbrush, your basic airbrush, I don't think you have a the smudge brush I'm using, but there are other smudge brush there. The only thing you just have to do is to play with it, reduce the flow, maybe use 6, the flow, you reduce the flow to 6, right? And then you increase the size or reduce the size of the brush depending on the area you're working with. If you're working on the body, you increase the size of the brush and then begin to blend inside out. But then if you're working on the face, you reduce the size of the brush and begin to blend inside out. But the flow, you have to reduce the flow to maybe 4, 5 or 6 depending on how it works with you. So that's how you begin to blend your brush, blend your shadow, and as you can see, it's turning out well as you see me blending. After doing this, after blending all your shadow out, you're going to do something else. This is me working on the face right now. I'm blending it out. After you are done blending it out, you're going to create another layer. So in this new layer that you're going to create, you're going to also click on the layer, right? And then you're going to click on blending, and then you're going to click on multiply. Yes, so once you're done clicking on multiply, it will help you generate a darker shadow, right? Just to add more, give this more 3D effect. So it will give you a darker shadow. As you can see, I started adding the dark shadow on specific areas. I'm not adding it in all the areas, just the place that I want the shadow to be more visible, right? I started adding this darker shadow there, just tiny bit. I'm not adding much, just a little bit, just to bring this body structure out very well. And I did that all over all the body, all the place that I want my shadow to be more. And then it will give this kind of base warm tone and shadow effect, making it look more realistic. Okay, after adding my shadow all over, my darker shadow all over, I switched to my smudge brush and I blended everything out. So after blending everything out, I switched to my soft airbrush, and all the places that looks like I trapped light, that looks lighter, what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to create a new layer. And in this layer you're going to see that I clip it. There's something I do. This is a premium sketchbook app, so in your basic sketchbook app I don't think you have clipping marks or something. So in this premium sketchbook app, there's what we call clipping marks. So after creating this new layer, I'm going to clip it just so that it will not go out, right? It won't spill, more like spill going out from my skin. And then if it does, if you don't have the premium sketchbook, don't be sad. The only thing you just have to do, once you see that it spills, you just have to use your eraser, your cleaner to clean them gradually. You just go detail step by step, and then you clean them gradually. So after clipping my layer, the next thing you're going to see me do is I'm going to color pick my lighter color, like for my skin, more like a highlight, and then I'm going to apply this highlight on specific area of my skin, like my forehead, my nose, my, what do they call it, under my eyes, my jaw, just where the lights are trapped. Yes, I'm going to do that. After I'm done doing that, I'm going to still blend them out, right? Just watch what you see me do in the video, right? So I'm going to blend them out, and I'll blend everything out, right? And then after I'm done blending everything out, I'm still going to pick another shadow, another color. I'm going to pick another color, and in this color will pick something that will really like a shadow, a color that will pop out the skin more, like kind of give it this glow, right? And I'm also going to, once I create the layer, I'm going to click on the layer to bring out the black file or the black image. I'll click on blending, and then I'll scroll down to where I see soft glow. So I'm going to use the soft glow to put on that specific area that I applied my highlights, right? And then after applying it all over, I'm going to still blend them out, right? So after blending them out, you're going to see that my skin begins to come out looking more realistic and more 3D like. So if you like this video and you enjoy the process of this video, please kindly like, kindly comment, and also tell me what you want me to share, and I will do that. Any question you have, you can drop it in the comment section and I will reply you. And if you want me to create something you don't understand, just let me know and I will be right there. So subscribe on my channel to see more videos on how to use your Android phone to create beautiful and stunning designs. Bye.